Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I will receive a notification for update, and I'm ready to update this phone to the brand new version. Are you ready? Okay, get ready to see this together. Look at that. Let's go settings, general, and software information, software update. Let's check for update. The brand new update is now here in front of you. This is iOS 15.4. Okay, now learn more. This is what people expected. Face ID. You can see Face ID while wearing a mask. Open on iPhone 12 and newer. Okay, this is what I expected. Now let's install this and see if it's working. Let's enter my passcode, and as you can see, we downloaded started, update requested. Okay, wait for finishing and get ready. As you can see, the downloading started. Can you see this? Okay, let's go. This phone is still beautiful, very beautiful. This is 2020 phone. Okay, 2 minutes remaining. Okay, wait with me. As you can see, I have my mask now. I want to test after this update if the mask working very well. Okay, get ready. Preparing to update. Okay, now we are ready to install this thing. Click on, as you can see, download it. Now click on install now. Checking for verifications. Okay. Okay. Verifying update. And your phone turn off. This is normal. Your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry. Apple logo. Where are you? You will see the Apple logo in front of you in a few minutes. Okay. This is what I'm talking to you. Okay, wait a few minutes for finishing of first installation. The process takes so much time, but okay. Well done. Look at the design. This is glass screen protector. Amazing glass screen protectors protect also the camera. Everything. Good. Where are you going? Where are you? Apple. Okay, you need just to wait again. Don't worry. Apple logo is back. And process continue again. Okay. Wait for finishing. Wow. Look at that. Hello. What is face? Okay, bro. Get ready because I'm ready. This is my phone. And this is a brand new update. Can you see this? Wow, hello. Wow, this is something I expected. Now, let's try to unlock this one. Let me enter my passcode and look at what I have in front of me. Can you see this, bro? Software update complete. You can see iOS 15.4. Your iPhone has been updated. Click on continue. Look at what you have here. You can see use Face ID without a mask. What? Use Face ID with a mask. Okay, a mask. And okay, you can see set up later setting. What can I do? How to set up Face ID? First, position your face in the camera frame. Okay, can you see this? Then move your head, everything. Okay, let's start. Have you seen this? Face ID is not set up. You can add different pair of glass to use with Face ID and a mask in setting. You can go in setting to configure your mask, everything. Face ID improve Siri addiction. Share audio recording, and so many features here. Not now. Look at what I have in front of me. Can you see this? Standard, zoom in, zoom in. Okay, continue. And welcome to iPhone. I love it. I love it. Definitely. And we go. Can you see this? Hello. I like it. This is so great. This is so nice. This is amazing. Wow. Okay. Let's go on settings, sort of motion, and iPhone. We're doing about phone, sort of software update. iOS 15.4 is here for you. Can you see this? I love it. Let's test the Face ID. Look at unlock it without the mask. Now let me put the mask in my mouth just to see how it look like. I'll just see if it's working. Okay, I put my mask in my mouth now. Let's unlock. What is this? It's working, brother. Definitely. And it's working right now. I'm shocked. Can you see this? Let me show you very well fishing. Okay, as you can see, this is my phone. Okay, and this is me. I have the mask. The mask is good. No problem. Now I want just to unlock my phone. Look at it's unlocked. Can you see this? Look at that. It's locked. It's locked. Locked. Now when I see, you can see unlock it. This is real, bro. This is real, bro. I like it. Can you see this? Jesus Christ. Damn! Look at very well. It's working. Look at. Unlock it. Face ID with a mask working. Face ID with a mask working. Hey! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can you see this? Now it's working. It's working, brother. Face ID with a mask working now. Wow, this is a good news today. This is so nice. I love it. Okay. Now say to me what you think about this. Under this video, and I'll see you later for more videos in GNANGSTUDIO for the YouTube channel. God bless you all. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. Thank you for watching.